Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, checking my new channel out and my videos. So we got an eBay package right here. This should be Amazing Spider-Man 362, a newsstand and a direct edition copy. This Saturday on Free Comic Book Day at my local comic shop. The owner is going to have Randy Emberlin there to do signatures. So I figured get these books signed by him. I've got a couple other ASMs and some G.I. Joe books I'm going to have signed by him. So I'm excited for that. Unfortunately, I got to work all day. So I'm going to have to drop them off the day before or have one of my buddies that's working there that day get them signed for me. The owner just found out he was going to charge $10 a signature, which is not bad at all. So let's see. Nice Gemini mailer. Save that. Let's see how these look. Great packaging. And awesome. He's got pull tabs. Very good packing. Very, very good packing. Boy, this guy's got this stuff secured in here. Maybe I wouldn't have done the fragile sticker on there, because now I got to try to scrape that off, but... And these look like they're in Mylar. Oh, you get stickers on both sides. Tape all the way down. Let's get rid of that. We'll save that tape for later to reuse. Save that. So, let's see what we got here. So this is the direct edition one. Try to get some of the glare off of it. It's got it in Mylar Magic. Corners look pretty crisp. Couple of little spine ticks, but that's not too bad. They're not color breaking whatsoever. So that's a good looking comic there. And get this one in the bag a little bit better. This is the newsstand one. Get that glare off of here. And this one's pretty clean too. This corner is a little blunted. It's not bad. There's one little indentation up at the top. Spine looks very good. Let's see, these are at least a 9.2s at least to have them CGC'd, which might end up being something I do after I get them signed by Randy Emberlin. So again, we got the newsstand copy and the direct edition. So I'm happy with those. Those are pretty cool looking. So we'll save that tape. And then next we have a mainstream comic mystery box. I think this one was $43 with shipping. And yeah, that sucker taped up. Envelope, Gemini mailer. These things are awesome. I'll be reusing a lot of these. Ooh, it looks like I might have won a Lucky Ducky. I did. So the Lucky Duckies are additional prints. It looks like Sabretooth. So that's pretty cool looking. It looks like my battery on my GoPro is running out. Hopefully we got enough juice left to get these opened. Do the rest of this video kind of quick here. Toss that on the ground. So we've got a couple up, a couple down. So let's see what we got here. You guys will see it first, then I will. What do we get here? Static Season 1, Number 2, new release. Interesting. Okay. What do we got here? Black Label Batman Reptilian number 2. It's a variant cover, it says. Oh, number 1 of Rye. That's kind of cool looking. I like the cover on that one. I got some of the older ones of those. What do we got here? Put this over. And what is this? Wonder Woman Black and Gold number 2 premium artist cover. That's kind of cool looking. And let's see what we got here. This is a reader copy, Batman Beyond 42. That's kind of cool looking too. I like that one. And Marvel Comics presents 45. I think I have this issue already, but I have a good chunk of that run, so we'll have to check it versus mine, see which one has the better copy. And then a print. Looks like a Loki print, so that's kind of cool looking print. Again, we've got the Loki print. Marvel Comics presents 45. Wolverine on the cover. Batman Beyond 42, a reader copy. This is a premium artist cover. It's Wonder Woman 2 of the Black and Gold series. This is Ray, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Number 1, it's by Valiant. It's kind of cool looking cover. This is a variant cover of Batman Reptilian number 2 on the DC Black Label. And this is Static Season 1, number 2. This is a variant cover of this one. And then we've got the Sabretooth print, which I'm going to have to flatten that out because it's got a little curve going on in it, but